Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. About to wash my truck, and I just picked up this new product that I haven't really heard or tried before, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Let's go ahead and do a review on it. Got this Vvash Ultimate Wheel Cleaner, and it's supposed to be really good through all the ratings, so I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. Got it in the mail. Didn't come with the spray nozzle handle on it. They left it separate. I think that was pretty cool, so in case of shipping it doesn't get damaged. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Nozzle on. And it comes actually in two different settings. It comes with the stream or the mist. I put it over on mist, and the directions on is basically simple. We're just going to spray it on the tire, let it wet rest for 30 seconds. You can use either a microfiber cloth or a wheel brush. In my case, I'm going to use a wheel brush today, and we're going to let it sit for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and wipe it down. All right, guys, if you want to take a look, this is what my tires and wheels look like. A little dirty. I do keep up with them pretty good when I wash my truck. Put a lot of cleaner on there, keep it nice and shiny. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. The Vvash Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. Let's go see how it goes. All right, let's go ahead and spray it all the way down. I like to get inside in between the wheels for the back wheel. So when I'm cleaning it, I get in there with the wheel brush. Let's get it all over the place, see how it goes. Now just remember, guys, every time you're washing your vehicle by hand, you always want to make sure you do your wheels first before you do your the rest of your truck. There's all that dirt and grime on there. You want to make sure it gets on there good and get it off. All right, got it all sprayed down. I'm a little anal on it. All right, it's been about 20 seconds already. And from looking at it, watching it, compared to the other ones I use, the other ones usually turn purple. To let you know it's cleaning, it's ripping all the stuff off, all the dirt and grime and the road debris. But this one, it just looks like it's just absorbing. I'm not seeing any really dirty mark difference. But I am actually using, I have my wheel brush and I have my lug nut brush. I'm going to use both of these. The lug nut brushes to get in between the lug nuts, and the wheel brushes to get in between the spokes and the back of the wheel. So it's been 30 seconds already, so let's go ahead and try it out and see how it goes. I'm over here scrubbing it. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed when you're holding the phone, so I'm trying to make sure I'm know what I'm doing. So get in there behind the wheel. Then after, it says on the directions, after cleaning it, you're supposed to wait. See all that dirt coming up. Get back in there really good. Yeah, after you're done scrubbing it down, you're supposed to use a water hose and just hose it down. Alright, I'm using this water brush, the lug nut brush. This actually works pretty good. Gets in there, makes your wheel lug nuts look nice and clean. Actually goes on there pretty good. I'm liking it. Haven't really tried it. I bought it a few months ago. Just haven't got around to using it yet. Alright. This is what it looks like all scrubbed down. You can see some of the dirt debris on it. Come loose. So let's grab this water hose and rinse it off. Liking it so far. Coming out pretty clean. Came out pretty good. Nice and clean and shiny. There's no dirt residue left behind. Even though it didn't like turn purple or change colors like the other ones do, let you know it's working. Alright, so I just got done washing my wheels using Vvash Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. Works out really good. It didn't change colors like the other ones do to let you know that it's working, but I can watch it when I was scrubbing it down with the wheel brush. Came off very clean and easily. After I hosed it down, it looked really good. But if you guys want to go out and pick this up, I give it a 10 out of 10. All you have to do is visit VvashAutoCare.com. And for a bottle like this is only 15 bucks. It's not bad. It works really good, and it lasts a while. I only used about on a few wheels, and I only used a very little bit of it. But if you go on there, go to purchase, if you use ATF in the discount code, you'll get an extra 10% off of your order. The link will be in the description.